Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to log out of Claude Code when it's set up in VS Code. So there's three different ways that you can sign out of Claude Code when it is authorized within VS Code. Let's jump in. So the first one, in Claude Terminal within VS Code, you're just going to type /logout. You are logged out of Claude Code. If you would want to log back in, you'd have to re-authenticate. The second way to log out of Claude Code is through the graphical chat panel. Click the / icon button at the bottom of the chat window, then type switch account or simply scroll through the list until you find it. Selecting that option will log you out of Claude Code. The third and final way to log out of Claude Code is to press Ctrl Shift P if you're on Windows to open the command palette, type logout, select Claude Code Log Out, and that'll also log you out. If this video helped you out, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching.